Hi, there are a few ways how you can block contacts on iPhone 16e. Let's start with settings. So, go into your phone settings. Here scroll all the way down and choose apps. Now in app list you need to find phone, select it, and after that search for blocked contacts tab. Here click add new and find contact you wanna block. Tap it and now you will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime from those people on the block list. To unblock, click edit, tap on minus and tap unblock. Let's do it again. And yep, this is the first way. Another way is you can open your phone app. Here choose Contacts tab on the bottom and manually find contact you wanna block. After that, just find this red option block caller, click it and click again. Now this contact is blocked as well. To unblock, just select this option. Now, if you wanna block contacts that is not saved to your contacts list or unknown number, you can go in Recents. Here, find number, click Info icon, and after that also scroll all the way down and choose to block caller. Then tap again, and now it will be blocked. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.